Hello and welcome. These are some of the things that most affected our funds in September. Continued uncertainty around China's economy, falling energy prices and turbulence for car manufacturers following Dieselgate. Let's start with one of the biggest scandals that has just hit car maker Volkswagen. At the end of September, it came to light that the German auto giant had tampered with software in its diesel cars so that independent tests show lower emissions than the cars actually produce. The scandal was quickly dubbed Dieselgate, and Volkswagen's share price fell dramatically. SKAGEN does not have any stakes in Volkswagen, but what the effects will be on other car makers remain unclear. Our equity funds have several car manufacturers in their portfolios. In SKAGEN Kontiki, Indian Mahindra and Mahindra may actually benefit from the disclosures, as it mainly makes SUVs with petrol engines. Some people are predicting that the scandal may speed up the development of more environmentally friendly engines at the expense of diesel. This may be good news for other SKAGEN investments such as LG Chem and Samsung SDI, both of which produce lithium batteries for the auto industry. Last week it was announced that China will lower taxes for more environmentally friendly vehicles, and this may in turn push up the sales of lithium batteries. Samsung SDI already produces batteries for BMW's electric cars, amongst others. The continued uncertainty surrounding China's economy was also a major theme in September, and this is reflected in the absolute returns of our equity funds. Nevertheless, we are pleased to see that most of the equity funds delivered results in line with or better than their respective benchmark indices. SKAGEN Kontiki in particular caught up with its index from this month. Year to date, the funds continue to lag their indices, however. Now, let's take a quick look at which of the companies contributed most and least to the fund's performance in September. For SKAGEN Global, last month's loser has joined the winner's side. Samsung Electronics is at the top of the list of contributors, together with GE and LG Corp. Citigroup, DSM and AIG were the largest detractors from performance. Following the Volkswagen scandal, auto manufacturers Hyundai and Great Wall Motor were among the top performers in SKAGEN Kontiki. Great Wall Motor benefited from China reducing the purchase tax for passenger cars 1.6 litres or below from 10% to 5% from October. Approximately 85% of Great Wall's unit sales fall into this category. At the bottom of the performance list for September were Brazilian bank Banrisul and oil company Petrobras. Brazil's debt was downgraded to non-investment grade by S&P this month, and as state-owned entities, both Banrisul and Petrobras debt followed automatically. We also find cars and planes among the best performers for SKAGEN Focus. AirAsia was the best contributor, followed by Hyundai and GCL Poly Energy Holdings. At the bottom of the performance list were SoftBank Group, South32 and AIG. And those were the highlights for September. Keep an eye out for our market report, which will be published on our web pages presently. In it, you'll find more information about the fund's development throughout the third quarter. Thank you very much for watching.